Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your Exos fitness membership. Okay, so basically if you want to cancel your membership, what you have to do, first thing you need to keep in your mind, there is no refunds provided if you want to cancel your membership. Okay, and the thing is you can cancel your membership by using two ways. You need to visit your nearest local home club and you can talk to the facility, like you want to cancel your membership, you want to initiate your cancellation of process of your membership, then they will cancel your membership. Or if no one is available and if you want to cancel your membership, don't want to you can without visiting your nearest club, then you can also compose an email. The email format you can see, and at the place of subscription you can replace it with membership, and you can compose an email related to cancellation of your membership, fitness membership. Mention your membership starting date, your name, your email ID, and each and everything you need to provide, and in the end you can ask a proof of cancellation. Okay, and once you've done this thing, you can send the email at this email address, appsupport@teamexos.com, exos.com. Okay, and once they receive your email, they will cancel your subscription, okay, or membership. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video, and bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.